귀여워.
Get over right here to the center. Just stand right in the middle.
아니, 그냥 찍은 거야.
Alright, swans, are ready? Beautiful swan. Yes, yeah, we'll see you at school. Hi. Hello. How are you? Excited? So excited. Oh, yes. Perfect. How's your day going? Good. What is March Madness? Is it the craziest month? Yes. Alright.